Have you ever dreamed of having a superpower? We have. And we've been working to turn that dream into a reality. Introducing our second generation Invisibility Shields. They're bigger, lighter, and more powerful than ever. We've created 3 sizes: the mini, the full size, and the MEGASHIELD, the largest shield we've ever built, which stands over 6 feet tall, enabling you to hide people, objects, and, well, just about anything. Setting up the shields takes a matter of minutes, and when you're finished, they can pack down to a fraction of their assembled size in these dedicated carry cases. Our new shields project their surroundings with amazing clarity. Whilst ergonomic grips help keep you hidden when moving. We took everything we learned from crowdfunding and shipping thousands of first-generation shields in 2022, and we used it to develop the best products we've ever created. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to turn our dreams into reality and share our second-generation shields with you.